Hello everyone, welcome to the Forms training module. First, you're going to start off on your CetterSync homepage. You're going to select your organization icon on the left-hand side and then select Forms. Here you'll see all the forms that you have edited. You're going to click those three dots and then select Create Form. This is where you're going to set up what your form will look like. First, you're going to put the form name. This is going to be the name that appears to CetterSync users when they access your form, so you want to make sure that it is clear and that users will know exactly what the form is. The form status allows you to choose the dates in which the form will be active from. For the sake of this training module, I'm making mine active for the shortest amount of time possible, but if you need it to last for the entire semester, the entire year, or just ongoing, you can choose those dates accordingly. Moving on down to the Explore Forms list, this will always be enabled so that users can find it, but if you would like the form to be featured so that it brings it to the top of the public form list, this will be better for users to be able to see it. You can enable that. You can also enable the require review and approval process. This would likely be best for forms needed for application or registration purposes, so you would choose that if desired. Next, you have the allow submissions from public users. So if you would like to select that, you can enable that there, but please note that it automatically enables allowing multiple submissions as well. If you don't want multiple submissions, you would leave that disabled. And then you can also include instructions for the submitter identified reviewer per submission. And once you are content with that, you would hit save. When you hit save, you'll see these next three tabs. You would move on to reviewers next. So if you want someone to look at the submission, you would select that little person icon with the plus sign and then search for who you would like to be a reviewer on this form. Next, you will move on to edit questions. This allows you to enter in all the questions that you want on the form. As you can see, these are all the different types of questions that you can enter in. For the sake of the training, I'm going to put in a single checkbox for now, just to show what that looks like. And then I'm also going to enter a page after. You can have multiple pages that would force users to go back and forth between different questions on different pages. And then I'm going to put a multiple choice question on page 2. So now if I go back to form properties and select outline, I'll be able to see the number of pages I have and the question type on each page. If you wish to share the form, you can select that share button on the form properties. You can copy a URL and send that out, or use the QR code for users to be able to scan. That will bring them directly to the form. When you go back to your Manage Forms page, you'll see that your form will stay there until it becomes active. If you press those three dots, you'll have different options here. You can archive it if it's no longer needed, another share option. You can view submissions this way, or export the data in an Excel or a PDF. Thank you so much for watching.